Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about formal charge, one of the important topic in 11th CBSE chemistry chemical bonding chapter. To know about formal charge, we must know the meaning of bonding pair of electron and non-bonding pair or lone pair of electron. So children, let us take one example. I'll take the example of fluorine, whose atomic number is 9 and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. And if you see in the valence shell, in the fluorine, you can find 7 electrons. And according to Lewis dot structure, those 7 electrons I'll represent in the form of a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now out of this 7 electron, you can find 6 electrons are forming lone pair. These are the lone pair, which means they are not going to involve in bond formation, and there is one unpaired electron. You can find one unpaired electron. Now this one unpaired electron is going to mutually share with the unpaired electron of another fluorine to form a bond pair of electron. So the unpaired electron of each fluorine atom, they are mutually share to form a bond, and that bond is considered as a covalent bond, and that covalent bond contains a bonding pair of electron. A covalent bond is made up of two electrons, one electron from each combining atom. Here the atom is fluorine. So in fluorine molecule means F2, on each fluorine you can find lone pair of electrons 1, 2 and 3. These are the three lone pair of electron, and there is one bond pair. Now you can understand that bonding pair are shared to create a covalent bond, and non-bonding pair are also called as lone pair, make up the octet. So now after forming a covalent bond by mutual sharing of their unpaired electron, on each fluorine you can find 8 electrons to get the octet electronic configuration. Let us know about formal charge. Formal charge is equal to total number of valence electron in the free atom minus total number of non-bonding electrons or lone pair electrons minus half into total number of bonding electrons or shared electrons. To learn more about formal charge, we are going to take one example, that is ozone, O3. Now in ozone, three oxygen atoms are there, the central oxygen atom and the two other oxygen atoms. Now between any two oxygen atom we are going to put double bond, and another two oxygen atom we are going to put single bond. Now as you know, one covalent bond means two electrons, one bonding or shared electrons means two electrons will be there. Now I am going to number the oxygen 1, 2 and this is 3. Now I have to make sure that each oxygen atom must have 8 electrons in their valence shell to follow the octet rule. Now in the first oxygen, around the first oxygen, you can find 3 covalent bonds. 3 covalent bonds in the sense total 6 electrons. 3 2s are 6. Now another 2 electrons I am going to represent in the form of one lone pair. And in the second oxygen, you can find two bonds, two covalent bonds, that is between first and second oxygen. Two covalent bonds means 4 electrons, and to form octet electronic configuration, 4 electrons I am going to represent in the form of two lone pair. And in the third oxygen, between first and third you can find one single covalent bond, which means 2 electrons, and remaining 6 electrons I am going to write in the form of 3 lone pair of electrons. This is the electron dot or Lewis dot structure of ozone. Now in this ozone, we are going to calculate the formal charge on each and every oxygen atom. The atoms have been numbered as 1, 2 and 3. The formal charge on the central oxygen atom marked 1. Let us find out the formal charge. Now in the oxygen, the total number of valence electron in free atom, as we have already we know that in oxygen as atomic number is 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So in the valence shell of oxygen, totally you can find 6 electron. In the valence shell of oxygen, total 6 electrons are there. Out of 6 electrons, 2 are unpaired and remaining 4 electrons are going to form 2 lone pair of electrons. So totally on the neutral oxygen atom, you can find 6 electrons. So according to formal charge formula, the total number of valence electron in oxygen is 6 minus total number of bonding or non-bonding or lone pair of electron. Total number of non-bonding or lone pair of electron in first oxygen, you can find only 2. 2 lone pair of electrons are there. So 6 minus 2 minus half into total number of bonding or shared electrons. So around first oxygen, you can find 3 bonds, one between first and third oxygen and 2 covalent bonds between first and second oxygen. So total 3 bonds means 6 electrons. So when you calculate 6 minus 2 minus half into 6, you will get 1 plus charge. So on first oxygen of ozone, we are going to mention 1 positive charge on the first oxygen. Let us calculate the formal charge on the second oxygen atom of ozone. According to formula, formal charge is equal to total number of valence electron in oxygen is 6 minus total number of lone pair of electron on the oxygen. You can find 4 electrons are there in the form of lone pair minus half into bonding electrons. Total 2 covalent bonds are there around second oxygen. 2 2s are 4. So when you calculate 6 minus 4 minus half into 4 is 0. So on second oxygen, we are not going to mention any kind of charge. So on the first oxygen, positive charge. On second oxygen, there is no charge. Let us calculate the charge on the third oxygen. So the number of valence electron 6 minus lone pair of electron around third oxygen 6 minus half into total number of bonding electrons. So there is only one bond between first and third oxygen. So one bond means 2 electrons. So when you calculate 6 minus 6 minus half into 2 is equal to minus 1. So on the third oxygen, we have to represent one negative charge, and on the first oxygen there is a positive charge, and on the second oxygen there is no charge. So this is the formal charge calculated on ozone. Let us take one more example, that is a formal charge on carbonate ion, CO3 2 minus, CO3 2 minus. So this is the formula or Lewis dot structure of carbonate ion. The central atom is carbon, and around this central carbon we are going to write 3 oxygen, CO3, 3 oxygen. Now we are going to write a bond. We know our carbon valence shell has 4 electrons. Carbon valence shell has 4 electrons. So between 2 oxygen atom, carbon forms single covalent bond, and between with 1 oxygen atom, carbon forms double bond. Now we are going to write the electrons according to octet rule. When it comes to carbon, around carbon already there are 4 bonds are there, 4 2s are 8. So no need to write any kind of electrons around carbon, whereas I am going to give the numbering to the oxygen atoms. 1 1 numbering I am going to give first, second and third. On the first oxygen there is only one covalent bond, so 2 electrons, so remaining 6 electrons I am going to write 3 lone pair. Second oxygen, 2 bonds are there, 4 electrons, so remaining 4 electrons I am going to write in the form of 2 lone pair. On the third oxygen there is only one bond, so remaining 6 electrons I am going to write in the form of 3 lone pair. Now this is the Lewis dot structure of carbonate CO3, carbonate CO3 2 minus. Now the two negative charges on which oxygen we have to provide. Let us going to calculate the formal charge on carbonate ion CO3 2 minus. Let us find out first the formal charge on carbon atom. As we know, in the valence shell of carbon 4 electrons are there, minus lone pair of electrons on the around carbon 0, minus half into number of bonded electrons around carbon, total 4 bonds are there, so 4 2s are 8. When you calculate, the formal charge on the carbon is 0, so we are not going to put any charge on the carbon atom. Let us calculate the formal charge on this oxygen. Now we know in oxygen the number of valence electrons 6, minus the number of lone pair of electrons around this particular oxygen, 6 are there, 2 4 and 6, minus half into bonded electrons, there is only one bond around this oxygen, so half into 2, when you calculate you will get one negative charge, and that one negative charge we are going to represent on this oxygen as minus. Similarly, on this oxygen we are going to calculate the formal charge. Number of valence electron on oxygen is 6, minus number of bonded electrons are 2, lone pair of electrons are 2, so 2 2s are 4, minus half into number of bonded electrons, 2 covalent bonds are there, so 2 2s are 4. When you calculate the you will get 0, so on this oxygen there will be no formal charge. Now on the last oxygen, let us calculate. So valence electrons on oxygen 6, minus lone pair of electrons, total 6 are there, minus half into bonded electrons, there is only one covalent bond, into 2, so you will calculate, you will get minus 1, so that minus 1 we are going to represent here. So this is the formal charge on carbonate ion CO3 2 minus.